During the process of making clay roof tiles, Melena first cuts the clay and then vigorously presses it to release any air bubbles, making it smooth and easy to work with. She specializes in traditional glazed tiles, aiming for that classic look. Even though the work is tough, automated production lines just can't match the customization and variety she needs for different tiles. She coats her copper molds with oil so the clay doesn't stick, then uses a hydraulic press to shape the wet clay. Afterwards, she carefully places the tiles on drying racks and trims off any excess so they stack neatly later. Before firing, the tiles need thorough drying. The old and new tiles on the church's mixed roof look similar in color, but the new ones are brighter. Melena has to make nearly 6,000 tiles in all different shapes and shades to give the church a fresh glow. She uses a special hand spray technique. First, she lets the tiles cool down, then sands and packs them up. When a kiln is empty, she gets ready for the next batch. The white base coat is made with fine quartz powder, sprayed carefully onto tiles that have already been dried and first fired, which now look brick. The glaze is made from rich pigments and metal oxides. Melena repeatedly tests and adjusts the mix, especially for the green glaze, using iron oxide and copper carbonate until she gets just the right shade. She then sprays the glaze evenly over the base, coated tiles, and fires them a second time. The kiln heats up to around 1040 to 1060 degrees Celsius for about 48 hours, turning the tiles vibrant and super hard. Once cooled, she sands off any excess water drops or glaze blobs to keep the tiles neat and prevent leaks. Melena's glazed tiles make up the stunning 47-meter high roof of the church. It looks like a colorful mosaic, with each piece carefully designed and handcrafted, blending old-world craftsmanship with modern artistry. Even though it appears randomly arranged, every tile is placed with purpose, creating a gorgeous, shimmering roof that shines in the sunlight and leaves everyone in awe.